Hi everyone, here in this video we are going to discuss 5 key arrows to hit the success target, and it is applicable for each and every competitive examination. Okay, so are you ready? So just watch the video completely, and the first key arrow is just know the pattern of competitive examination on which you are interested to get the success. Okay, the first one is know the pattern of the particular competitive examination, and the second one is know the syllabus of that particular competitive examination. Okay, because almost all the competitive examinations gives the problems within the ground of syllabus. Okay, that's why it is important to know the syllabus of each and every competitive examination on which you are interested. Okay, right. And third one is preparation. So we have different possible preparation modes nowadays. The first one is offline mode, that means through the offline coaching centers, and second one is the very popular one nowadays, that is online. Okay, online coaching center through the online coaching institutes. Okay, and third one is through the material, and fourth one is through the social media and YouTube, like that, YouTube and all other. Okay, right. So here just choose the best one which is suitable for your preparation. Okay, because the competition is very high nowadays. So to get the success, one should have proper way of preparation. Okay, that means a random way of preparation may not give you the success. So the proper way of preparation and proper way of guidance may give you the success. Okay, right. And fourth, the key step or key arrow is presence of mind in examination hall. Okay, so this is the most important point. So here, by just having the great preparation time, okay, so by just having first three arrows and the great preparation time, so if one doesn't have the presence of mind with tensions, okay, so due to the exam tension, so one cannot get the success. That's why the presence of mind is very important in the examination hall. To get the presence of mind and to get the concentration, to get the peace of mind in the examination hall, so I should prefer yoga and meditation. Okay, right. So just use them in preparation time, and they will give you, or they will improve your concentration and your peace of mind level. Okay, right. And next one is the rank deciding factor or rank deciding arrow is problem understanding level in the examination hall. Okay, problem understanding level in the examination hall. Okay, because here we know that each and every competitive examination gives the questions, and which are in three types. So they will be just like hard, medium and easy. Okay, so hard, medium and easy levels of the questions only depends on the problem understanding level of an aspirant. Okay, so for example, in the previous CSR examination we have a question, and I'm just taking it an example. So we have a question on MX4 structure, which is in pyramidal structure with C4V point group. Okay, and they asked that the trace of reducible representations as 5113, 500, and with different four options. Okay, so if one understand the problem well or information of the problem well, the problem is very easy. Okay, so it is easy to solve within seconds to get 4 marks. But if one unable to understand the information of the problem, it will become very hard to solve it, because here we have given with traces of reducible representations. We know that, and if one have the command on concept of character table, so one can calculate character table, that means reducible representations, by just using unshifted atoms by just operating different possible symmetry operations of C4V point group, and by just using contribution per atom, and we can get from the character table for those contribution per atoms, and by just taking the product or multiplication of contribution per atom and unshifted atoms, we can get reducible representations. Okay, but in the examination for that particular problem, we are not given with the character table. Okay, so then how can we find reducible representations? So here, if an aspirant unable to understand the sentence here, traces of reducible representations. Here, the question is, we need to find trace of reducible representation, not the complete reducible representation for C4V point group. Okay, right. So if one understand the trace, so here we have two traces. One is unshifted atoms, one is contribution per atom. So if you look at the options, one can simply understand that the options are given based on unshifted atoms, and the answer will be very easy, and one can get 4 marks. Okay, if one unable to understand the traces of reducible representation, then one should need to know character table to give reducible representations, and it will become very hard because there is no character table given for that C4V point group. Okay, so that's why, so just remember that understanding the information of the problem is very important to make hardest problem to easiest one. And if one unable to find the information and unable to understand the problem well, the easiest problem will become hardest one. Okay, just keep this points in your mind and get the success, and visit chemmasters.online website to join online courses to get guaranteed success. Thank you very much. I hope this video will helpful for you. Just like and share and subscribe my videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.